I'm James Knight, founder of Gentle Somatic Yoga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What makes Gentle Somatic Yoga different from other popular styles of yoga is that we don't focus on stretching, and instead we use a technique called pendiculation. Pendiculation is a brain-to-muscle re-education, a repatterning, to help you come out of pain, stiffness, lack of mobility, and also posture imbalances. Most people find beneficial effects immediately, and the effects are cumulative the more that you practice. So down below you're going to find playlists with specific anatomical focus. For example, if you wanted somatic movement flows for the lower back, you'll find that, or the hips and legs, or the neck and shoulders, for example. There are also full-length classes, half an hour, hour, and more, in case you wanted to have a home practice and just explore your body to create more freedom within yourself. So take a look around. If you have any questions, it'd be wonderful to write some comments down below, ask me some questions, like the channel, and I look forward to hearing about your journey.